Tired of turning down deals that don't fit traditional guidelines? Learn how your commonly overlooked leads can supplement your business in Private Lending Solutions. Conventional lending can pose problems for real estate investors. Tight deadlines, strict regulations, and a stroke of bad luck can cause any deal to flop. Today, Eileen Mazza will discuss how you can conquer these obstacles and more. RCN Capital proudly presents Private Lending Solutions.
This is Eileen Mazza for Private Lending Solutions. When borrowers first explore the idea of private lending, there are many questions that arise. I field calls all day from potential borrowers and brokers asking a variety of questions. I thought it may be helpful for others if I reviewed some of the most frequently asked questions that I receive here at RCN Capital. Number 1, can I hold the property in my name? We need to close in the name of a business entity, whether that's an LLC or corporation. It cannot be in your personal name. Number 2, are there points associated with the loan? Yes, the points are on a sliding scale based on the strength of the deal and the size and can range anywhere from 2 to 6 points. We start lending at $50,000 and deals typically of that size have more points associated with them. The higher the loan amount, typically the lesser points associated with that deal. Next, is there an application fee? No, RCN Capital does not charge an application fee with any of our loan programs. Do you lend on ground-up construction? Unfortunately, RCN does not finance the acquisition of raw land, and we have discontinued ground-up construction financing. How long does it take to process a loan to close? Our typical loan closing from start to finish is as little as 10 days and can take longer if the deal is more challenging, such as if there are title issues. What's your minimum loan amount? Our minimum loan amount is $50,000 and we go upwards of $2.5 million. However, keep in mind that for us to lend $50,000, the minimum purchase price needs to be $63,000 plus. How is the draw schedule determined? It is agreed upon by the borrower and RCN Capital. There are usually about 3 to 4 draws unless it's a small amount. The inspector is sent out at the draw request and we use a nationwide service to verify that the work has been completed. Next, how much does a borrower need to come to the table with in order to get a loan through us? Well, with all of our loans, the borrower will need to have about 20% of their own funds as a down payment, as well as closing and holding costs. We want them to have some skin in the game to make sure they're serious and motivated about their investment purchase. What are some property types that you are not interested in lending on? That's a great question. Some of the types of structures that we're not interested in lending on are retirement communities, churches, and structures with environmental issues such as a gas station or a dry cleaner. What if my client hasn't filed tax returns in the last year because he's been out of the country? We definitely require that your borrower file and pay taxes as required by law. What if I have a property that I own free and clear that I want to take cash out on? Is that a possibility? Yes. If you own the property free and clear and have a very low balance on your current mortgage, we are interested in speaking to you regarding a possible cash out refinance loan. And lastly, how do I get started? Well, we have an application link that we could send your way to get the ball rolling and speak with a loan officer regarding your request. I hope that you found this question and answer session helpful. If you have any additional questions about private lending, please email me or leave your comments below. We look forward to working with you. This is Eileen Mazza for Private Lending Solutions.
Are you looking to purchase residential investment properties but need additional funding? Are conventional lenders taking so long to close that you're missing out on key opportunities? Apply for fast, direct financing through RCN Capital, a leading nationwide private lender. Our experienced origination team will help you get the funding you need when you need it, delivering commitment letters in as little as 48 hours. Apply online at rcncapital.com. RCN Capital, direct financing for your real estate investments.
This is Mortgage News Network.